Why should I replace worn parts before they fail? Replacing worn parts early helps prevent sudden breakdowns, expensive damage, safety problems, and longer repair delays. A worn part usually gives warning signs before it stops working, such as unusual noises, leaks, shaking, slow performance, or visible damage. Replacing it while the system still works gives a contractor time to choose the correct part and install it properly. If you wait until failure, the damaged part may affect nearby components that were still working. For example, a worn belt can break and damage other moving parts, while a small leak can lead to water damage, mold, or weakened materials. Early replacement also makes repairs easier to plan because you can compare prices and schedule work instead of paying for emergency service. One detail many people miss is that a part may look acceptable from the outside, but be weakened inside from age, heat, rust, or repeated stress. Check maintenance records, follow the manufacturer's recommended replacement schedule, and ask a qualified professional to inspect anything that shows warning signs. Taking action early usually costs less than repairing several connected failures after a breakdown. A common mistake is waiting for a part to stop working before replacing it, so treat strange sounds, odors, leaks, or performance changes as early warnings. Another mistake is choosing the cheapest replacement without checking quality or compatibility, so use the exact specifications recommended for your equipment. People also sometimes replace one damaged part but ignore the cause, such as poor alignment, excessive pressure, or lack of maintenance. So ask what caused the wear and correct that problem too. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.